Welcome back to the Dustin Lansdale YouTube channel, and this is going to be part 2 of the mini jet. Y'all can go see part 1. Put a clip there. We put her in the creek and had a 79cc Predator. Was way underpowered, so now we got a 212 stuck in here, and I'll show it when we get to the river and dock it in because all the life jackets are in there right now. I put a centrifugal clutch on there with a straight shaft coupler. We can have some slip. Alright guys, well, we made it down to the river, and right here's the engine I ended up putting in this thing. It's a 212 Predator. It's kind of pieced together with some parts from a generator and a power washer, but I think it's gonna work. So we're off the trailer if Caden don't sink us. Alright, so let me crank this sucker back up because we're floating away now. Over the weight limit. I gotta get some of this shit out of here. There ain't no room. I guess the clutch is doing something. Yeah, it's doing something.
few moments later.
The spark plug wire melted into the exhaust pipe. I got some black tape. Oh shit, I set it back on the car. I had it in my pocket. Damn steering ain't worth it, man. This song, it'll turn one way and then just shoot off the other way, and you ain't even turning. Damn wire right here needs to be in a pipe. Damn it. Yeah. I don't know what happened that time. That black tape was in there. I think that wire was hanging down, was going underwater. The keel wire. No, it needs taped up. It was in the car. It's sitting on the bottom. choke. Yeah, I'm trashing the carburetor or something. That's why water's getting in my boot. There's a tear in the end of it.
93.
You got somebody wearing shorts, no shirt, cold, wet socks, and you wearing sweatpants and a life jacket.
You turn the throttle around the other way?
Was it supposed to be tested or something?
Yeah. We can test it.
Yeah, I mean, y'all can test it.
We're gonna get out here and you're gonna jump off us right off the bat.
No, ain't it?
Yeah.
No. I'm all in my clothes.
Take them off.
Keep an eye on the steering cable. Look over there by his leg. Make sure it don't get kinked. Trash shit got in the carburetor. It's okay to land and hold that motherfucker for a minute.
Right there.
Where? Dude. Why? Show me this shit.
Ain't no fucking show me.
These motherfuckers, oh yeah.
Dude, I ain't standing back here. Shut this motherfucker. Go up there and dump me off.
Shit. You got the zoom on that one?
Hold that son of a bitch. Oh, yeah, get all shut.
Open it back just a little bit. That's too shut, Landon. Open it a little bit.
Like halfway.
Landon's gonna fall off in the water.
He asked if the life jacket was tested.
I don't know, I guess.
I said, well, we ain't tested it, so.
Yeah, make it to where it's gonna run. Yeah, there you go. It turns too hard, it'll break the steering wheel. It'll just start doing donuts.
He said, take me back to the land, I'll punch you.
You didn't kick the cable, did you? The steering cable it ain't kinked over there beside you.
What?
Check that cable beside you. On the other side.
What?
Steering cable, make sure it don't get a hump in it. I do.
Oh, it is.
Yeah, it won't fucking turn.
I wonder if it'll go faster with just me. Come on. On the water? No, over there, dumbass.
Dude, you gotta get closer. You ain't got no reverse. Just keep on that cable when you turn. You gotta watch that rod under
Push me back.
Fuck.
Push me back.
A few moments later.
These motherfuckers gonna do circles the whole time. The whole time the motor's running.
Yep. Oh.
It sucks because he's way down there, but it's funny as fuck. Just going around and around. Come on, Caden, use your head. He can't get the steering. I'm telling him this shit's probably stuck under the dash or something. I didn't do the steering. It was like that when I got it. I was going to work on it, and I didn't get to because this was like a test the engine run. What the fuck's he doing?
He's going to the bank.
Way down there?
Nope, it turned. He almost got to the bank and it started doing a Yui.
This motherfucker. I started doing that shit out there and it had a kink in that wire. Come on. Come back up the river.
He's trying to lean the boat like leaning the boat's gonna help it turn.
It's going further and further down the river. Just fix the damn stick. Every loop he makes, he's further down. He's trying to turn the prop back.
Well, it's running.
He's gonna fall off the fucking boat and lose the boat.
I can't see no more. He's too far away.
Damn it. We might have to go to the other boat ramp and get him. He let off the gas. I think he's running out of the bank. Maybe he'll stop when he gets to the last boat ramp.
How's he supposed to stop?
Oh!
Check the cable beside you!
You're not supposed to go down the river. Steering, bro. Oh, God.
I mean, quit staring. Just kept on doing circles.
Didn't you want that wire up over there?
No, it wasn't watered up. It just wasn't turning back here. It was just turned one way, and I had to get back here and turn it by hand.
You see that hole in it? Or turn the steering.
When I try to turn it that way, it would go like this.
Yeah, you gotta push it down straight. Yes.
How was your ride?
It was alright.
Tell the people about it.
It was not that good.
Okay, yep. Steering cable right here. Let's see. We've been having a problem out of the steering wire right here. It damn wadded up when he tried to drive. I'm gonna try to put this inside a pipe or something, because when you turn it, damn wedges up in there, and then it won't steer no more after that wedges up. And we still got water coming in from somewhere, because there's a bunch of water got in down in there. So we'll pull the plug, take her back to the house, and this is a good test run for part 2 with a bigger motor, which it's going to need probably a bigger motor because that motor ain't big enough. I'm probably going to sell the thing and work on other projects, so I just really don't have the money to put into it. But it was a cool little thing to play around with. But everybody like and subscribe.